Imagine a machine so silent you can hear your own heartbeat. A car built not just by hands, but by high-precision robots and the world's finest artisans. Is this the peak of human engineering or the birth of a new robotic era? Welcome to Goodwood, England. This isn't just a factory. It's a sanctuary of technology. Today, we go inside the Rolls-Royce production line to see how the Phantom, the world's most luxurious motor car, is actually made. How does a 6,000-pound beast feel as light as a cloud? And why does it take over 450 hours to complete just one car? Stick around, because the secret lies in a dance between silicon brains and human souls. The Goodwood plant is hidden in the British countryside. It's a sustainable marvel where floor-to-ceiling glass meets cutting-edge automation. But don't let the quiet fool you. Inside, a revolution is happening. As we step inside, you won't see dirty oil or chaotic assembly lines. Instead, you see autonomous guided vehicles, or AGVs, gliding across the floor, carrying massive aluminum frames with millimeter precision. Can a robot understand luxury? In this factory, AI isn't just about speed. It's about perfection that no human eye can match. But where do the robots end and the humans begin? Let's find out. It starts with the architecture of luxury. This is an all-aluminum space frame exclusive to Rolls-Royce. It's light, incredibly strong, and the foundation for the magic carpet ride. Massive robotic arms perform the heavy lifting. They weld the aluminum joints with such accuracy that the structural integrity is unparalleled. Why is aluminum so much harder to work with than steel? We'll see shortly. Every weld is monitored by sensors. If a robot detects even a microscopic deviation, the entire line pauses. Why? Because in a Phantom, there is no room for good enough. It must be perfect. The body takes shape. Watching these robots move is like watching a choreographed ballet. They are programmed to handle the delicate aluminum without leaving a single stress mark. Before moving to the paint shop, the body undergoes a laser scan. Thousands of points are measured. If you think your eyes are sharp, wait until you see how these sensors find flaws invisible to humans. Welcome to the most advanced paint shop in the world. Here, robots apply 5 layers of primer, paint, and clear coat. But did you know there's over 100 pounds of paint on a single Phantom? The robotic arms move with fluidity that ensures an even coat, even in the tightest corners. This prevents orange peel texture, giving the car a mirror-like finish from the very first layer. Rolls-Royce offers 44,000 standard colors. But if you want a color match to your favorite lipstick or a flower in your garden, the robots adjust their mixing algorithms instantly to accommodate. Even with the best robots, the final sanding is done by hand. Humans can feel imperfections that lasers sometimes ignore. It's a partnership. Could a robot ever truly feel a smooth surface like a master craftsman? Now look at this, the famous coach line. It's a 5-meter-long straight line painted by hand. No robots, no tape. Just one man, Mark Court, and a brush made of ox hair. One mistake, and the whole car is repainted. Would you trust yourself to paint a $10,000 line on a $500,000 car? Let us know in the comments if you prefer a robot's precision or a human steady hand for this task. While the paint dries, the heart is prepared. A 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12. It's a masterpiece of internal combustion. But in a world going electric, why does Rolls-Royce stick to this legendary engine? Each engine is hand-assembled but tested by AI-driven rigs. They simulate thousands of miles of driving in minutes to ensure that when you start a Phantom, the only thing you hear is silence. This is the marriage. It's the moment the body meets the powertrain. It's a delicate process where robots align the chassis and body to within a fraction of a millimeter. Massive bolts are tightened by smart tools that record the exact torque applied to every single nut. This data is stored forever. If there's an issue 10 years from now, they know exactly who or what tightened it. Now we in the cabin. This is where the robot world slows down and the artisan world takes over. But don't be fooled. There's high-tech magic hidden in the leather. Only the finest bull hides from high-altitude regions are used. Why? Because there are no mosquitoes there to leave bite marks on the leather. The robots scan each hide for natural imperfections. A CNC laser cutter then calculates the most efficient way to cut the leather pieces to minimize waste. It's the perfect blend of natural material and digital efficiency. The stitching is a work of art. While machines do the heavy sewing, the complex embroidery is guided by artisans. Have you ever wondered how many stitches are in a car? In a Phantom, it's in the millions. The wood veneers are matched so the grain looks symmetrical, a process called book matching. These thin slices of wood are layered with aluminum to ensure they don't splinter in an accident. This is a fan favorite, the Starlight Headliner. It uses 1,340 fiber optic lights hand-woven into the roof leather. It can even be programmed to show the constellation of the stars on the day you were born. While the holes are punched by a specialized machine for accuracy, the fibers are inserted by hand. It takes one person 2 full days to complete just the ceiling. Is this the ultimate luxury? The Phantom features a gallery, a glass enclosed space in the dashboard for bespoke art. Here, robots maintain a clean room environment so no dust particle ever gets trapped inside. To achieve the architecture of silence, Rolls-Royce uses 280 pounds of sound insulation. Even the tires have a special foam layer. How does a car this quiet stay safe on the road? The Phantom is packed with sensors. It has flag-bearer technology, a camera system that scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension proactively. It literally sees the future to smooth out the bumps. The central computer processes millions of data points every second. It manages the 4-wheel steering and active anti-roll bars. It's a supercomputer on wheels, disguised as a luxury lounge. With all this tech, how long does a Phantom last? Unlike most cars designed for a 10-year life, a Rolls-Royce is built for a century. Does that justify the staggering price tag? Every Phantom enters the monsoon room. It's blasted with high-pressure water from every angle to ensure it's perfectly watertight. If a single drop gets in, the car goes back to step one. The car is placed on a vibration rig that simulates the world's worst roads. Robots listen for squeaks and rattles using ultra-sensitive microphones. If they hear even a tiny chirp, it's rejected. In this factory, robots do what humans find boring or dangerous, like heavy lifting and precision spraying. This frees up the humans to focus on what robots can't do: creativity and emotional touch. By using robots for the perfection side, Rolls-Royce has actually increased its ability to customize. Automation has replaced workers. It has elevated their craft. The final piece is the Spirit of Ecstasy. She is the crown jewel. Did you know she automatically retracts into the hood if someone tries to touch her? That's robotic protection at its finest. The car receives a final hand polish. This takes several hours. The goal is to ensure the paint looks liquid. At this point, the Phantom looks more like a sculpture than a vehicle. Every car is taken on a test drive, but it's not just a quick spin. Test drivers look for the waftability, that unique feeling of floating that only a Rolls-Royce provides. What does the Phantom tell us about the future of car manufacturing? It shows that as AI and robotics evolve, the value of a human touch actually goes up, not down. Rolls-Royce is moving toward an all-electric future with the Spectre. How will the robotic assembly change when the V12 is replaced by silent electric motors? The transition has already begun. The level of customization possible today, thanks to digital design, means no two Phantoms are ever exactly alike. You aren't just buying a car, you're commissioning a one masterpiece. Is it worth $500,000? When you see the thousands of hours, the robotic precision and the artisan dedication, the price starts to make sense. It's an investment in excellence. If you could design your own Phantom, what's the one crazy feature you'd add? A built-in espresso machine? A humidor? Tell us your wildest ideas in the comments below. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of high-tech manufacturing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We bring you inside the world's most exclusive factories every week. The CEO often performs a final sign-off. The car is then wrapped in protective film and prepared for its journey to its new owner, anywhere from New York to Dubai. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is proof that technology doesn't have to be cold and soulless. When used correctly, robots help us reach a level of beauty that was once thought impossible. As we look forward, The factory of the future won't be empty. It will be a place where humans and machines work in perfect harmony, creating things that inspire us to dream bigger. Luxury isn't just about what you buy. It's about how it's made. The Phantom is a testament to the fact that perfection is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.